I didn't know this was here, but just a block away from Animate is a TGI. No, I'm just kidding. It's the Capcom store. I think we should go check it out. Let's see if we can do a one-shot Walkie-No-Talkie. I have no idea how big this store is. It could be the entire building for all I know. It might not. Let's find out together. Alright, so I'm seeing tons of Gashapons. And I'm going to guess that they're all Capcom themed or Bandai. I'm always impressed by the infinite variety of things in these machines. Every time someone asks me, they'll be like, what's in them? And I say, everything. Like, I don't know what else to say. Like, I have no idea what this is. I don't know what Cecil McBee is. I don't know. Okay, so I'm seeing lots of gachas. I see some claw machines up ahead. I wonder if there's a second floor or if this is just a claw machine / Gashapon. It's starting to look like that. Which is fine. This is an adventure for both of us. And I'm talking to you, Tim Sayer, because I know you're watching. Maybe Bill Fisher is also. Okay, so I think that's it. So it's a Capcom claw machine capsule toy store. Huh. That was not what I expected. Disappointing. Huh. Let's do a quick zoom outside to see if there isn't by chance a second floor. Nothing down that way. Huh. That was not what I expected. I think I'm just so used to merch overload after Animate. Plaza Capcom is the name of the place. Not much of a plaza. Oh, third floor. Okay. I'm keeping this one shot. Let's go to the third floor. I'm making the assumption that we were just on the first floor, which should make this the second. Check my notes on that one. This gives you an exciting window into what every day is like for me here in Tokyo. I just wander around until I find fun stuff. Alright. Capcom. Okay, so we've got a capsule lab. So that looks like more of the same. I'm not super sure. That needs a deep dive. Capcom Cafe. Worth a look. We got merch. And the actual cafe. Okay. Okay, so we got Capsule Lab, more claw machine. I'm noticing a theme here. Yeah, this is a Capcom branded joint. And you know, flashing back to some of my other videos, like when I went to, gosh, what was it called? The mall with all those stores. Mandrake, remember Mandrake? And they were selling all of the stuff that you find in these claw machines. So I guess what happens is, you know, you come here and you blow $50 on the claw machines, and you get jack squat, and then you probably reach a point where you're like, you know what a good idea might be? Is just going to Mandrake and paying the premium for the toy. Because the claw machines are, of course, notoriously hard to win at. And that's by design, right? It's a profit center. This is a store we're in right now to make money. Sorry if I'm bursting bubbles here. But it is interesting that there's a lot of people at the claw machine. But I guess it's also the fun of playing, right? And the chance that you might hit a machine when it happens to be right for the clawing. So I get it. I'm not immune to the allure of it. It's just not enough to make me actually play. It's quite the analytical little monologue coming with this video. Are those Christmas crackers or snack treats? I can't tell. Look at these guys. I gotta say, like, the prizes do look really interesting. They're very diverse. There's all kinds of wacky stuff. All right, let's go see if there's anything on the other side of the escalator. I think that might be it. For, what was it called? Capcom Plaza? I don't know what any of these things are. Someone used the term elder otaku the other day. Not in regards to me. It felt like a deep cut. I mean, I will answer to elder statesmen. That sounds a little more respectful. What's the word for elder weeaboo? Not that I'm one. I'm not pointing fingers. What? Oh, I think we're just on the other side of the capsule store now. All right. Well, there you go. There's a couple games. And a whole ton of claw machines. And that is it for the Capcom Plaza in Ikebukuro. All right, gang. Thank you for. Oh, here's the magical site. Oh, geez. Thank you for. Look, they're all open. Oh my God. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. I think this store might be closing. Thank you for coming on this exploration with me. I'm gonna head back down. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me on all these Tokyo adventures. I've seen some amazing stuff so far. And I've got a few videos in the can right now that I need to edit and publish. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment if you want to see more, comment if you want to see less. Either way, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you for the next one.